Hello guys, it's Tiffany, and today I'm going to use the Milani Make It Last setting spray, and it's prime, correct, and set, and it's supposed to last for 16 hours. And then I'm going to take the Nivea cream after I let the setting spray dry, and I'm just going to take that to moisturize my face. And then I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro primer, the high definition smoothing face primer, and I'm just gonna put that on my face. And then I'm gonna take the Black Radiance True Complexion Shine Control primer and put it on my forehead, my nose, and my chin, on the areas I get oily. And then I'm gonna brush up with my eyebrows with this spoolie, and then I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows, outline my eyebrows, and just fill them in. And I'm gonna make sure that they are the same shape. So I'm gonna go in with the other one. On the other one, to make sure it's the same shape as the other one, if that makes sense. And I'm blending them out as I go, so I won't look so crazy. And then I'm gonna take this angle brush from e.l.f. and I'm gonna take the eyeshadow base concealer to clean up my eyebrows. And now I'm gonna blend them out. Blending it out with a concealer brush. And I was acting crazy because I was singing and dancing, so excuse me. Now I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee, and I'm going to apply that to my eyes. And then I'm going to use the Airspun Translucent Extra Coverage Powder to set that. And that is just going to make my eyeshadows show up better and keep my eyeshadow on all day as well. So it's gonna be as the eyeshadow primer as well. And then I'm gonna go into my Ruby Kisses 3D Contour cream palette, and I'm gonna take that orange color just to cover my dark spots on my face where I had bumps or wherever. And then I'm gonna take this like medium beige concealer and put it under my eyes, so my eye won't have any bags. And I'm just mixing them two colors together. And then I'm gonna take this NYX eyeshadow called Cosmic, and it's like a blue, like a navy blue color. And I'm just gonna put that in my crease. I put some color at the outer on my outer crease and in my inner crease, and then I'm just gonna blend the color. I'm gonna blend both of the sides together, bring it upwards into the middle, and start blending it out. And I'm taking an eyeshadow crease brush from e.l.f. And I'm making sure I don't have any hard edges or anything like that, because you don't want your eyeshadow to look bad, you know. And then I'm gonna go into the Jaclyn Hill palette, you know, and I'm gonna take Jada, and I'm gonna put it not in the same place I put the other color, but I'm gonna take it like lower down into my crease, you know. And I'm just gonna put the color in. I'm gonna put the color right there, and I'm taking this eyeshadow eyeshadow crease brush to make sure everything was blended out correctly. And then I'm gonna cut my crease with that eyeshadow base concealer that I used earlier, and I'm just gonna cut it. I'm just gonna cut it, you know, cut it. And if you guys want a video on how I cut my crease, just let me know. But it really takes practice to do this, because this took me a long time to learn this. But I'm gonna do, if you want a video, just let me know. But I might do one anyway. I start with my tear ducts, and then I just go all the way up. Where them two lines is at, where my lid is at, and I just go right there and then go across and go how big or how little I want to go. And then I'm gonna set it with some powder, and I'm taking an airspun powder once again to set it with. I don't put too much powder because, you know, I want it to be very smooth when I apply the eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna take this green glittery color called Diva, and I'm gonna apply that to the outer part of my cut crease. And I'm using a concealer brush to do this with from e.l.f. And then I'm gonna take the color Faint, and I'm using this eyeshadow brush from e.l.f. as well. And I'm just gonna put it in the inner part of my crease. See how pretty it is? I just love it. And then I'm just gonna blend them two colors in the middle so it won't look too crazy. And now I'm going to blend all that concealer that I let sit on my face. And then I set it with the airspun powder as well, so my face can be on all day. And then I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 355 and the L'Oreal Infallible foundation, 24-hour foundation in 312 coconut. And I'm just going to apply it with this kabuki brush from INQUURIES from Walmart, and I'm just gonna blend my life away, you know. Then I'm gonna take Toffee from the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just gonna put it under my eyes, on my forehead, my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of medium beige from LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on my eyes. Then I'm gonna take this Real Technique sponge, and I'm just gonna blend out all my concealer wherever I applied it. And I'm just gonna blend until I can't blend anymore, because you know your face have to be flawless. You know, you just can't go around looking like anything. So that's what I'm doing. Then I'm gonna take my Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder, and I'm just gonna set everywhere that I put concealer. And you guys know how much I love this powder. You know, you just know, you know. I ain't gotta say nothing, you know. Then I'm gonna go into the True Complexion contour palette from medium to dark, and I'm just gonna bronze up my face to bring some warmth to my face. So I don't want to look too pale or too light. I want to look warmy. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm just blending as I go. because you don't want to just put powder up there. And then I'm going to contour my nose with the same color. And then I'm going to put some translucent powder where I bronze up my cheeks at. And then I'm going to take this e.l.f. eyeliner, and I'm going to line my yeah, I'm going to put eyeliner on my eyes. And this is just a simple eyeliner. The way I'm putting it on there, it's just a simple one. And then I'm gonna take Jada and I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line. And then I'm taking that blue color called Twerk and I'm putting it in the same place. And then I'm just gonna wipe away that powder. And I'm taking that scoping color, that brown scoping color, and that contour palette to put it on there as well as I go. And then I'm gonna take that highlighter color and I'm gonna put it on my nose, on my cheek, my forehead, my cupid's bow, everywhere, you know. And then I'm gonna take the golden flower crown color from Wet n Wild. And then I took Precious Petals and put that on top as well. And I love these highlighters. They bring me life. Then I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild Meadow Wine blush and I'm apply it to my cheek. Then I'm gonna take the Milani Make It Last setting spray I used earlier to set my face, because I wanted to stay on all day. And then I'm gonna fan my face as well. And then I'm gonna take the Mega Protein mascara and put it on my lashes. And I took the Kiss Lashes and Shy to apply it off camera. And then I'm gonna apply some mascara to the bottom of my lashes. You guys didn't see it, but I went in the Bold Obsessions Milani palette and I took the color Sands of Time and put it in my tear duct. And now I'm taking the NYX lip liner in Urban Cafe, and I'm taking, after that I'm gonna take the Milani lip plumper in Prismatic Peach, and I put it over my lips. And this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you love this video. Please like, subscribe for more, comment, and please let us know what you would like to see next. And we love you guys.